Shake hands, guys.
What are you doing?
Oh, wait, no more chairs.
No, it's okay.
Get it happy.
Hey, go! Brennan, get back up.
Marley, get extra chair. Get extra chair.
Brennan.
Get extra chair for now. Kalani.
No, no. Oh, no.
Got it.
Go, Al. Right there, Sean. Watch the ball, Sean.
Hello, hello.
Come on, Sean. Up top, up top. Watch him, watch him, watch him. Bryson, where you at?
Slide across.
Pop him right there.
Slide across.
There you go, Ken.
Good.
There you go, Bryce.
Again.
Come on, Sean.
Come on. There you go.
Oh.
Get it, Ken.
Back.
All the way, Sean.
Get it.
Stay with him. Stay with him.
Go.
Brennan, don't give him up, Brennan.
Oh, that wasn't one.
Way over there, that's
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, Brennan. Hold up.
This is the new challenge, yeah?
Spot.
Shot. You're open.
Don't let him shoot. Oh, come on, Al.
Up. Come on, bro. Hey,
Go, on him.
Stop the ball. Up.
Nice.
Oh.
Come on, John.
John.
Where's John?
You. Come on.
Stop the ball.
Manelo.
Go get Bryce.
Black, 6, reach. White ball here.
Stop. Hey, hold up. Come here. You gotta wait for the referee.
Up.
Stop. Come on now. Come. What you mean? You want to play?
Oh. Spot.
Get in there, Byron.
Oh.
Come on now.
Go ahead, Brian. There you go, Brian.
Oh.
Stay there, Black. Go, set up. Okay, Brian, good. Attack the basket. Sit.
Go.
Stop the ball. Pick up the ball, someone.
Help him out.
There you go.
Help him out.
All the way. Straight, Ray. All the way. There.
Time out, Ralph.
Okay, let's go. Get my drink over there.
Their ball.
Can you bring my drink over? Sorry.
Two a half. 15-minute half.
Short, Byron.
Nice. Go. Make it. Woo!
Stay down there.
Watch out!
Don't worry about it.
Come on, pressure, pressure.
There you
Oh, come on.
Michael,
Oh, fine.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, you gotta set up. That's why you gotta get it. You just practice.
Set him up, set him up. One.
Rebound! Come on, guys!
Stay down there, Ken.
Watch out! Nice!
Go.
Sit.
Set it up! Watch out!
That's all right, stay down there.
Hey, stay in the 1-2-2. Stay inside, you guys. 1-2-2. Why you know? 1-2-2. No, get in front of these guys. Hey, stay in the zone.
Gotta look, Byron.
Stay in the zone.
You look lost. There you go. Get it.
Stay in front of them, guys!
Wait, no. Pass off. Black. Here, Black.
Not too bad. Just keep playing.
Come on, guys. Right, girl.
Let's stay in front of them. Push it.
Yeah.
Come on, guys!
Go, Ken. Nice.
Come on, Kenneth.
Stop the ball.
Come on, Al.
Michael, you got the...
Stop.
Yeah, on the
second shot. Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, box out. Yeah, box them out.
Stay down there.
Oh.
He moved too early.
Ken. Michael. Kenneth, right there, back.
No, you never score any.
There you go.
Inside.
Come on, make up for it. Come on.
Nice.
Up! Put it up! Again! Nice.
Right there. Go. Where are you going?
Come on.
Stay back. Come on, stay back.
Stand up!
Hey,
Who scored that one, Marlon? Marlon, who scored that last
21. Too pressure.
hands up.
Michael.
3 seconds. All right, go. Dylan, gotta stay over there. Get back.
Okay, you guys, get back.
Set him up right there. Michael, get ready to roll.
Go,
Nice,
go.
nice.
Go, put it up.
Lonnie.
What?
Oh, dang. Good job, Dave.
There you go, Mike.
Michael!
Get the board.
Oh. Put it up again. Pants it up.
That your son?
Stay down there, Mike. Come on.
Good job, Dave.
Time. Time out, Black. Time out. Come on, guys.
Oh, I have LCC. I just support you.
It's our ball, it's our ball.
I'll look at the one before that. The one before that.
I don't remember.
That was
I think
that was at the bottom.
12.
Go up a little bit, Michael. Go up a little bit.
Cannot see one.
Set up, you guys. Go to the middle.
Two. Oh, come on.
Hey,
Get back, get back, get back!
Get him. Stick him, Byron.
that's squeeze.
Rebound!
Rebound. There you go.
Oh,
Don't let him shoot, come on!
3 seconds of block set.
And
don't let him shoot like that. Nobody shoot.
Come on, you guys, get it right back.
Go.
Watch out! Pay attention, guys!
Ball, you guys.
Help him out!
Right now.
Cut him off. Right there.
Nice!
Go.
That's what I'm talking about!
Black 4.
Press it all the way, right? Run. Don't let him shoot.
Up. Wait, here, wait. Wait.
Oh,
Hey, Brian, go down.
good job, guys.
There's Michael right there, right in the. Oh my goodness.
Get on it.
Keep your eyes open, guys!
hey, watch this.
Right there.
Go on here, Rudy.
Rebound! Get it!
Go.
Go to it!
Hey, Brian.
Ball.
Michael.
Nice!
Bryson, where you going, Bryson?
Mike out, stay down.
Get him. Cut him off.
Go on.
Get in front of him!
Don't leave him.
That's all we did, man.
Ow!
Stay in front of him.
Basket's good. Ball's on white. 1-4 on the back. One shot.
Set him up. Look. Help him out.
Yep.
Stay
No!
down, Bryce. Middle. Double.
Hey, come to the ball. We gotta get it over.
Go.
Guys, come on!
I'm back, John.
No ball, John.
Good shot!
Hey, get back here. They're up. Pick up the ball. Yeah, there you go. Good one.
Oh,
Right there.
nice.
Bryson, stay over there, Bryson. Michael, stay back. Don't worry about the ball. You're not a referee, you're a player.
Come on,
Grab it.
Watch out!
Go. Middle. Right there, Michael.
Good when you get back.
Oh, right on the line, though.
Right there. Hey, we gotta get out on them faster.
Get it, Bryson!
Nice. Wow.
Pick them up hard. Pick them up hard.
Come on, guys.
Dylan, follow Dylan. There you go.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Right there, Zach. Line up, two.
Bryson and Kenneth. Bryson and Kenneth.
All right, wait. What do you got? Two?
Lucky. 2 shots.
There's a horn.
Watch your fall going over the back, all right?
Hey, subs in.
Bryson, Kenneth.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Crossed early, going down.
Hey, set up.
Who did
Set
that?
up, you guys. Dylan.
Hold up right there, Michael. Watch him.
Go, Dylan. Go, two.
Cut him off. Cut him off.
There you go, Josh.
Stay right up. Watch it.
Move it. All the way. There you go, Brandon.
Good shot.
Move, Brandon. Hey, pick up. Let's go. Stay with him, Marina. Come on, bro. There you go, Josh.
That's all right. That's all right.
Come on, lady. Go.
Hey! Oh, my.
Woo!
That's all you gotta do.
Come on. Kill.
Put it up again. Come on, rebound again.
There you go.
Same thing. Hey, move back a little bit, John.
Oh, watch out.
Come on.
1 minute.
Come on. Make it count. Nice.
Stay down there. Stay down there. Stay down there.
I'm out.
Come on, John. You're fine. That's what you get for that. Practice. Stay away from her. You're going to stop them somewhere. Pick their car. All right? If somebody does that, we're going to stay. You can't get back behind them.
That's not MIA.
Don't do that. See, you go to them. Pick their car. Right? Don't be shot. Nobody. Nobody shoots over the shot. Right? Everybody understand that. Nobody. Nobody in the football. That's all you gotta do. Put them pressure on. Double them. Triple when you got
Hey, set up.
Right below right there. John. Some more. Some more. There you go.
Go to the middle. Go to the middle.
That's yours right there. There you go. All the way. Nice.
How much is it 1 quarter?
$5. I don't know.
How many supply?
I gotta look. Put down. Nice.
10 seconds.
Stay on there, same thing.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Shorts again.
5, 4,
Brian.
3,
Do it, Brian.
2, 1.
Line up, two. Good job, Brian.